This is the third and best camper conversion I've made to this car yet. We've been sleeping in it for a week in the Austrian Alps and therefore saved a lot of money on accommodation. Let's have a look at how it's made. So we are going to start at the back. There's our 5 centimeter thick foam mattress, which is quite comfortable actually. It seems thin, but it's comfortable enough for short periods of time. If we get rid of that for now, underneath the mattress there is a piece of 12mm plywood, which is here to level the floor perfectly. It is supported by 4 battens out of pine, and this space can act as a storage as well, kind of a hidden storage if you will. Here at the top you can see another piece of plywood, 12mm, which is used for the storage. When you want to go from the travel mode to the sleeping mode, you just take your bags and stuff them here like so. And this is just a thin piece of MDF which you can extend so that this area is hidden also. This has to be done this way because of all of those angles. You can't really fit a wider piece of plywood here. The bottoms of the seats are taken fully out. Those are plywood extensions. When we extend those, the sleeping area is exactly 2 meters long, which is perfect. Those are legs which support them. These are folding leg brackets. You can get them on Amazon, I think. I'm gonna link them down in the description. They are perfect for this application. So the way this works is you extend this. The leg itself is also divided into 2 pieces. There's a hinge and 2 rare earth magnets which are going to click together and form the leg. Otherwise it wouldn't fit here. So now we can do that like so, extend the leg, and here it is. The same for the other half. Now we can take in the mattress and stuff it in here like so. Pillow. And that's it. The bed is 100% ready for sleeping. Oh yeah, nice and comfortable. And the last part of the conversion I'd like to talk about are those curtains. As you can see, we don't have blacked out windows, so we use this so that nobody sees in the car at night. Those are just some random curtains I found at home and cut in half. They are held up to this paracord by curtain clips which have like a teeth and a hook here, and the paracord is tied on one side with a knot, and on the other side there is a fold back clip which clips nicely to the upholstery and holds everything in place. It actually works really well. The blacked out windows would be a better option, but I didn't have the chance to do that, so I think this is a great alternative. I'm gonna leave links to all the hardware components I've used down in the description, and that's probably everything I wanted to show you about this camper conversion. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, it's gonna help me tremendously. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comments. And if you would like to see more videos just like this, please subscribe, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye!